Hey lovers, welcome back to my motherfucking channel. Yeah, I'm finna do my hair. If y'all hear that fan in the background, it's my fan. I'm real hot. So I'm gonna do a voiceover. Right now I just took out my nappy. My hair is so nappy, you guys. Like, I can't do nothing with my freaking hair. So before this video, before I even part, y'all gonna see my hair like flake up like that, cause that's gel. Don't talk about me. I'm just gonna comb that motherfucker out real good. It gonna look real, little nasty looking in my hair. My hair gonna look real nasty looking, but it's okay. It's just dried up gel. I'm just gonna part it in the middle. I'm gonna start parting my hair in the middle. Okay, lovers, for this video I will be doing a quick weave. This will be my first time doing a quick weave in my hair. Like I said in the beginning, you guys, this is just dried up gel. Just be with me, pray for me. I'm just gonna comb that bad boy out. I'm just gonna start parting my hair in the middle, and I'm gonna braid my hair. You're gonna see in the video how I'm gonna braid my hair. I don't really care how the braids look in this video. I just needed my hair to be flat down for this quick weave, you guys. But I'm not gonna really be talking a lot. I'm just gonna let y'all look at the video, see how I do it and all that, and I'll come in and out at this voiceover. But yeah, enjoy this video. I'm just gonna slap some gem on there, the shiny gem. But enjoy this video. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and follow me on my social media, guys. And at the end of the video, I will be putting a video of me with the TikTok kind of thing at the end of the video, so y'all last to the end of the video so y'all can see that TikTok video, you guys. But I'm gonna stop talking. I'm gonna let y'all look at the video and look at me scroll. Yeah, enjoy the video.
Hey, splash from the start when I move now. Remember I was down bad, what it do now? Remember they ain't like me, then sound cool now. Remember they ain't like me, then sound cool now. Hey, bitch, I'm big ballin' on some sip shit. Hey, she just want pick cause it fit lit. Chain swinging shorty on my thing and I ain't hit just splash from the step when I move cause it drip. Hey, bitch, I'm big ballin' on some sip shit. Hey, she just want pick cause it fit lit. Chain swinging shorty on my thing and I ain't hit just splash from the step when I move cause it drip. Hey, she just want kick it cause it bling blow. Told that bitch lick it, don't look down. Said Vino too drippy, might drip down. Go get it, never been the type to sit around. Yeah. Hey, these niggas capping, they ain't rapping, they just chatting. No walk from the back and I ain't dashing, bitch, I'm batting. They catching people the fastest, stepping puddles when I walk. Big band and I don't say shit, I let the money talk. Hey, splash from the step when I move now. Remember I was down bad, what it do now? Remember they ain't like me, then sound cool now. Remember they ain't like me, then sound cool now. Hey, bitch, I'm big ballin' on some sip shit. Hey, she just want pick cause it fit lit. Chain swinging shorty on my thing and I ain't hit just splash from the step.
You would never know all the shit I've been through, nigga, you would never know. Mama moved us out the hood to them better homes. Toxic shit inside my life, I had to let it go. It's a couple niggas on this earth I die for. Made my way to the top, nigga, with a blindfold. When I'm in this booth, I spit this pain with my eyes closed. When it go down, niggas know who I'm gon' ride for. Yeah.
Toxic shit inside my life, I had to let it go. I'm trying to make it from the gutter to the radio. From the radio to crazy though, we checking top flow. Remember nights when I ain't have it by myself under the low. I felt like a struck lightning, ran that chuck up like a pro. Still collect when they call, free my dogs behind the wall. Whole dollar I'm a ball for quarters, want it all. Stop and struggle, lot of hustle, don't fall, won't fall.
You would never know all the shit I've been through, nigga, you would never know. Mama moved us out the hood to them better homes. Toxic shit inside my life, I had to let it go. It's a couple niggas on this earth I die for. Made my way to the top, nigga, with a blindfold. When I'm in this booth, I
Okay, you guys, right here, I'm just trying to part my hair for my leave out, and I can't see the top of my head, so that's why I was like having trouble with me parting my leave out. So bear with me on this part, you guys, but I will get through it. Okay, so right now I'm just parting, trying to make sure everything is a clean, neat part.
Walk in the party, I get this shit started. 10,000 on ones, I be going retarded. She see the dribble, look baby, she choosy. Cocky little nigga like my bitch is bougie. Float on the Tesla and dash on the one way. Dripped in designer like I'm on the runway. Poppin' some blunts like your bitch on a fun day. We don't do vacay, baby just vacay. Like the parents, we go shopping on the weekend. I breathe the money, be sexing and freaking. I can teach you how to eat, boy. I'm a Mac with your bitch like Elroy. Crib in the service, get lost when I'm in it. Pay the buck for the car, gotta keep the windows tinted. That thing pay cash, but the shit not rented. Sound like the word, we spell it authentic. Step in the party and get this shit lit. I came by myself, but everybody here with me. When I move is a vibe, they know how I'm stepping. I was just broken, it just now getting. Plus I feel the phone, got me going too fast. Left hand on my pistol, right hand on the dash. 3 5 on the wood, got the fez on my ass. Got too much to lose, pray to God I don't crash. Ah shit, nauseous. Thank God I lost my conscience. Little boy better be cautious. Lawless, don't make this for to take you off this. Video shit too flawless. This flex can't fit in my wallet. And still want this and I forgot what you call it. Walk in the party, I get this shit started. 10,000 on ones, I be going retarded. She see the dribble, look baby, she choosy. Cocky little nigga like my bitch is bougie. Float on the Tesla and dash on the one way. Dripped in designer like I'm on the runway. Poppin' some blunts like your bitch on a fun day. We don't do vacay, baby just vacay. Like the parents, we go shopping on the weekend. I breathe the money, be sexing and freaking. I can teach you how to eat, boy. I'm a Mac with your bitch like Elroy. Crib in the service, get lost when I'm in it. Pay the buck for the car, gotta keep the windows tinted. That thing pay cash, but the shit not rented. Sound like the word, we spell it authentic. Sound like the color, right? You need to. Walk in the party, I get this shit started. 10,000 on ones, I be going retarded. She see the dribble, look baby, she choosy. Cocky little nigga like my bitch is bougie. Float on the Tesla and dash on the one way. Dripped in designer like I'm on the runway. Poppin' some blunts like your bitch on a fun day. We don't do vacay, baby just vacay. Like the parents, we go shopping on the weekend.
So y'all, I am done braiding my hair. I don't care how the back look right now because, oh, my armpit's huge. I don't really care about the back because I just wanted to be flat down. I didn't have no bobby pins and it's 7 o'clock at night while I'm doing my hair. So the hair store closed, so no bobby pins for me. I know I got bobby pins, but I'm too lazy to go look for it. So I don't know what it said. This hair just sticking up. I tried to like stick it in the hair like this, but it's not working. So let me tell y'all something. My sister stole my Sprint, so I'm gonna use Got To Be. And I'm gonna try to see if this gonna work to make my head hard. Let's see. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see.
I breathe the money, be sexing and freaking. I can teach you how to eat, boy. I'm a Mac with your bitch like Elroy. Crib in the service, get lost when I'm in it. Pay the buck for the car, gotta keep the windows tinted. That thing pay cash, but the shit not rented. Sound like the word, we spell it authentic. Step in the party and get this shit lit. I came by myself, but everybody here with me. When I move is a vibe, they know how I'm stepping. I was just broken, it just now getting. Plus I feel the phone, got me going too fast. Left hand on my pistol, right hand on the dash. 3 5 on the wood, got the fez on my ass.
I found it. I found it. If you ain't using the black bottle, if you ain't using the black bottle, I don't know what to tell you, because that white bottle, that is for white people. This black bottle is for black people only. This, when I tell you this, pump it up, sprints, baby, it keep your motherfucking hair whole so mother tight, bro, to ye. I got my black people know. It's been a while since I used it, so let's see. It's been a while since I used this anyway. Let's see if it's still pumping it for me.
Got too much to lose, pray to God I don't crash. Ah shit, nauseous. Thank God I lost my conscience. Little boy better be cautious. Lawless, don't make this for to take you off this. Video shit too flawless. This flex can't fit in my wallet. And still want this and I forgot what you call it. Walk in the party, I get this shit started. 10,000 on ones, I be going retarded. She see the dribble, look baby, she choosy. Cocky little nigga like my bitch is bougie. Float on the Tesla and dash on the one way. Dripped in designer on a fun day. We don't do vacay, maybe just vacay. Like the parents go shop on the weekend. I bring the money, be sexing and freaking. Like a teacher.
This hair is so soft, you guys. I'm almost done. I don't know how the back look. How the back look, y'all? I gotta finish the back. But I had started tracking it like this so it can fall up in my face. Because I want it to fall in my face a little bit. The only thing about this hair, it tangle up. Tangle. Look. What was said about me? This the one bundle and this how much I had left. Time to open another one. Okay. I'm almost done. Done putting the tracks down, you guys. I'm gonna let it dry. And then I'm gonna clean up my mess. And then when I'm done cleaning up my mess, I'm gonna cut the stocking off. And then I'm gonna flat iron my leave out and all that. But right now I'm just gonna let it dry. I'm gonna let it dry. You say you me. Bro, I hope this lasts me till Christmas. Guys, this hairstyle lasts me for a week. It did not last me to Christmas. I wish that it did last me to Christmas, but it only lasts me for a week, and the glue starting to dry up and my tracks was coming out. So if you want to put a quick weave in your hair just for the week or just to go out on a vacation, I will tell you to do a quick weave. But for a month, you cannot keep a quick weave in for a month. It's like a week worth of doing week worth. It just is a week worth hairstyle, not a month. I'm mad at that, but that's okay. Okay, let me finish cleaning up my mess, but I will be back. Okay. Okay, you guys, before this video ends, I would like to tell y'all, with my natural hair will not let me be great with the quick weave. My natural hair kept on curling up and all that. So that's why it lasts for a week for me. But if you have hair like me, it's just going to be a week worth, you guys. Hello? Uh-huh. Yeah, the money's too loud. Yeah.
That shit's so funny.
Yeah.